Hi, welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. For today's video, we are here in Merville Park Subdivision, Parañaque City to show you this 3-story modern contemporary home. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts. And please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. So we have this busy road, no? Kaya dito tayo nag-start sa sidewalk. For the property, we have a corner property, so may daanan on this side, although medyo maliit lang yung kanilang daanan. For the frontage, it has 14 meters and facing southeast. As for the facade nitong property, napapansin niyo yung adobe stone cladding and the combination nitong white painted walls. It creates a striking contrast para sa look nitong property sa harapan, no? While itong mga huge windows dito sa corner window natin, sa double height ceiling, allows lots of natural light dito sa living and ganun din dun sa ating hallway sa second level. The overhanging roof dun sa itaas creates itong shade dun sa inyong third floor sa balcony. Okay, papasok tayo dito sa ating property. As we enter dito sa inyong pedestrian gate on the right side, ito naman yung inyong front yard garden. Ang ganda nitong front yard garden ninyo, you have a glimpse or view coming from dito sa inyong fixed window dito sa living area. Unahin natin to, then ikot tayo doon sa kabilang side. So in this space, we have a setback of around 2 meters from your perimeter fence. In this space, pwede nyo gamitin to as your lanay. We have itong mga sliding doors. These are high-grade aluminum with tempered glass. Covered na rin ito by a canopy coming from your second level. May nakalagay na rin na tempered glass for your shade in this area. And mapapansin nyo rin, for your flooring, meron tayong WPC or wood plastic composite. It has a mixture of fiber, wood or wood fibers and plastic elements para kapag galing kayo dito sa inyong pool or kapag nababasa ng ulan, hindi masira yung inyong flooring. And of course, very safe then for your kids and elderlies kasi meron to mga wood grains kaya hindi madulas. One of the focal point itong property is your covered swimming pool. Meron na rin tayong the water fountain in this space. And mapapansin niyo parang covered and talaga mag-enjoy yung mga kids nyo rito in this space kahit maaraw, hindi sila naiinitan. And in this area naman, pwede kayong maglagay dito ng alfresco dining in this space, fronting dito sa inyong swimming pool. And dito naman, nandito yung service area and the staff quarters. Naka-separate ito dito sa inyong property. But currently may tao dito sa loob at nandito yung kanilang mga gamit so hindi na natin titignan. By the way, we have this shower. Covered na rin ito para in pristine condition kapag dumating na yung buyers natin. Kaya nakabalot yan. And again, your setback 1 to 2 meters. You have an access dito sa inyong auxiliary kitchen, pero mamaya natin tignan yan. And we are here sa inyong 2-vehicle carport. For our flooring, meron tayo ditong cemented pavers with rough texture para non-skid sa mga sasakyan ninyo. For our ceiling, medyo mataas yung ceiling natin and with spandrel with wood grain design. Pag tinawag natin spandrel, ito yung PVC, no, with wood grain design. It mimics the real wood. Pero ayan, meron tayo dito, hindi mabilis masira because made of PVC. So kapag maulan, in this space, hindi siya nagkakaroon ng any cracks because of the moisture. Cove ceiling design din and your pin lights installed. Few steps, ito naman yung inyong main door and your porch. For the material used dito sa flooring, meron tayong homogeneous tiles with rough texture and a marble green. And for our main door, huge, solid mahogany wood door with your modern door lock. Pasok tayo and welcome to your home. Upon entering dito sa inyong main entrance, you will be welcomed by an open layout design dito sa buong ground level. And by the way, for this living area, it has a double height ceiling. Lots of natural light coming from your fixed window installed. And of course, it creates a sense of openness in this space now because napaka-aliwalas and parang napakasarap huminga in this area. Especially you have the view of the outdoor doon sa inyong pocket garden doon sa front yard. And mapapansin nyo rin yung very neutral color combination ng inyong white painted walls. Ganun din with our flooring, which is a porcelain tiles with matte texture. The advantage ng ganitong color combination or color palette, napakadaling i-enhance or i-improve nitong area depending doon sa theme na gusto nyo for your furnitures or interior. Adjacent dito sa inyong living is your dining space. For our dining space, it can cater up to 10-seater dining table, and mapapansin nyo rin surrounded by these huge sliding doors. And adjacent dito sa inyong dining is your main kitchen area. And kung mapapansin nyo, for our main kitchen, very open yung design niya, no? Kaya the advantage is yung flexibility. Kahit marami kayong magluto in this space or mag-prepare ng food, napakadaling gumalaw because the open layout. This has your L-shaped counter. So, meron tayo dito L-shaped counter, quartz finish. Ganun din dito sa inyong gagamitin nyo as your breakfast nook. So, in this space, kasya yung 3 to 4 kitchen stools or your bar stools para sa inyong breakfast nook. Meron tayong itong stainless sink, of course, SUS 304. And kung mapapansin nyo rin for our base and hanging cabinets, it has a warm finish or parang wood finish. Perfect combination dito sa ating white painted wall. Kakaroon siya ng contrast or a cozy vibe because of your wood grain design for our cabinets. These are modular, and of course, ang ginamit nila is marine plywood para mas matibay and furniture grade. The space for your gas range or your induction cooktop together with your oven, and in this area naman, nandito naman yung location ninyo for your refrigerator. And of course, again, balik tayo dito sa inyong dining, your huge sliding door with an access dito sa inyong pool. Medyo kakaiba or unique yung design nitong pool, kaya mas lalong nagiging elegante because of the uniqueness ng design. And ang ganda rin because covered na yung area na yun. By the way, you have your ceiling fan dito sa inyong dining. For additional storage space or your pantry, we have your floor-to-ceiling cabinet with your shelves para sa inyong dry goods or canned goods. And kung ayaw nyo naman maamoy yung niluluto nyo dito sa inyong main kitchen, we have this area. So ito yung dinaanan natin dun sa labas kanina. So in this space, pwede kayong maglagay ng inyong huge refrigerator. Ganun din with yung inyong gas range together with your oven. And again, you have your sink. And before we go up, tingnan muna natin itong powder room. By the way, for our indoor doors, ang ginamit nila is mahogany. So in this space or dito sa inyong powder room, your huge vanity sink or lavatory, American standard, ganun din with your tawag mo dito, water closet or your toilet and the shower space. So this is a common toilet and bath, hindi lang siya powder room. For our stairs, meron tayong parang yakal yung ginamit nila dito sa inyong staircase. Ganun din with your handrails together with your metal frame. Akit tayo. Lots of natural light in this area because of your fixed and awning windows. Here's the second level. We have 4 bedrooms and ensuite toilet and bath to your master bedroom, and a shared toilet and bath dun sa 2 rooms pa later, and an ensuite toilet and bath dun sa inyong bedroom 2. By the way, for our flooring, for the material used, laminated wood with wood grain design. Engineered dito sa buong second level. And by the way, we have this area dito sa second level, a family area. Ang ganda ng space na ito, na parang pwede kayo mag-converge before you go to sleep or you go to bedroom at night. Na pwede kayo maglagay dito ng couch and of course your television set. Ang ganda rin ng vibe because of your material or yung wood material installed for our cove ceiling together with your ceiling fan. Ganda, no? So, puntahan natin to. This is your bedroom 1, which is also the master bedroom. Mapapansin nyo rin, meron tayo ditong parang archway. So, going in, but before that, in this space, pwede kayong mag-assemble nung inyong magiging anteroom or the waiting area. So, in this space, perfect spot yung inyong couch, a center table, para bago kayo mag-go to bed, parang ano, na perfect spot to have some conversation or tea time, no? And ayan, dito sa inyong master bedroom, highlighted by these huge windows, lots of natural light. Ang ganda rin nung ating high ceiling, which is giving us yung parang ano, focal point in this area because of the pendant lighting and yung unusual na taas ng ating ceiling. Ang ganda rin, it adds some parang elegance and warmth and cozy vibe in this area. And of course, for our master bedroom, we have your walk-in closet, floor-to-ceiling cabinets for your storage, and itong inyong master toilet and bath, your dual sink, American standard, with your huge vanity mirror, the shower space with enclosure, and your water closet. Coming from your master bedroom, by the way, in this space, pwede kayong maglagay ng inyong magiging deep cabinet or yung seamless type for the cabinet para sa inyong magiging linen cabinet as well, depende sa inyo, or pwedeng gawin as your console table and your shelves para sa inyong study. So in this space, nandito yung additional bedrooms natin. Ito yung inyong bedroom 2 with the ensuite toilet and bath. Medyo for this space, kasya yung inyong double-sized bed, floor-to-ceiling cabinet for your storage, and a provision for a split-type AC. And ito yung inyong ensuite toilet and bath, your shower space with enclosure, water closet, and your huge lavatory. And dito sa hallway, dito naman yung inyong bedroom 3. And again, kasya yung inyong double-sized bed in this space. Huge window, daming natural light in this space or in this room, a cove ceiling design, and again, your floor-to-ceiling cabinet and provision for your split type. And balik tayo dito sa hallway, Raymart. Ito naman yung inyong common toilet and bath for these 2 rooms. Your shower space with enclosure, your water closet, and your lavatory. And ito yung inyong bedroom 4. Dito sa dulo ng hallway, medyo mas malaki compared dun sa last 2 bedrooms. So, kasya dito yung inyong queen size bed. Again, you have your huge window and your floor-to-ceiling cabinet. Balik tayo dito sa stairs. Ang haba nung nilakad natin, no? Kaya napakaluwag ng buong second level. Kasi napansin nyo naman doon sa pool, nandun yung ating canopy, which is yun yung area na yun. Kaya napaka haba nung nilakad natin. Ganda ng floor space dito sa upper level. For our stairs, parehas dun ng material na ginamit nila. Parang solid yakal wood yung ginamit nila, ganun din with their handrails. Dito sa third level, ito na yung pinakamalaking common area na na-encounter ko sa ganitong price point ng property. Ano? So we have itong very huge or very spacious living area or your family area. Perfect spot din to entertain your guests. No? At the same time, meron tayong isang room dito for them. So in this spot talagang magiging busy kayo creating lots of memories together with your friends or your relatives. Kasyang-kasya dun yung billiard tables ninyo. O billiard table. So in this area, yan, kasya yung inyong king size bed. Your cabinet, medyo mababa na lang yung ceiling, although meron pa rin tayong provision for your split type. The common toilet and bath dito sa inyong third level. Ang daming pwedeng gawin, no, dito sa third level ninyo. Pwede kayo maglagay na gym ninyo or another set of couch and your table. Parang pwedeng separated house na parang meron kayo ditong sariling buhay sa third floor. And you also have itong inyong spacious balcony. Ito yung shade ninyo coming from your overhanging roof. So ito yung perfect area for that. So it extends yung inyong spacious family area up to here sa balcony ninyo. And yan, you have the view nitong buong Merville. That concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new 3-story modern contemporary home located here in Merville Subdivision, Parañaque City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you and see you next week.